happy to visit you. Yes, because morning can be good or bad, but it's your choice what you makes it. Yes. You have to make it happy because happiness is choice, and you have to ensure that at any rate you have to be happy. So today I am going to tell you our greatest virtue, but first of all you have to tell me what it is. You have to guess it, so listen it very carefully. Everybody fold your hands and straight. Sit straight. Yes, very good. So, have you heard that? You were never that much good as was two brothers. How many brothers? Two brothers was there. One was 6 years old and the elder one was 10 years old. Okay? They both were very affectionate to each other. They love each other very much, and everything whatever they do it together. But they eat together, they play together, everything they do, they want to do together. So one day they went outside of the village and they were playing outside of the village, and that time the elder brother fell in the well. On a well, he fell upon and he don't know how to swim. But he don't know how to swim. That time they were shouting for help, they asked for help, but no one was there because they were outskirts of that village. Okay, that time no one was there. Then the younger brother saw a rope. What he saw? A rope, and it was hanging from the bucket. An iron bucket was there, and iron bucket was hanging with rope. And what he did? He threw that iron bucket in the well, and he started pulling his brother. What he did? He started pulling his brother, and what he did? He pulled his brother along with that heavy iron bucket. Yes, and then they went to village, and then they told everyone that it was happening, and nobody believed them. Why? Because the younger brother was very small. He was only 6 years old. So they told them that he can't pull an iron bucket itself. How it is possible that he pulled a boy of 10 years old with that iron bucket? Yes. But a wise man was there and he said, yes, I believe that. So people told them, if you are saying we can believe you because we can agree with you, you are a wise man, but we want to know how it is possible. Then wise man said, because there was no one to tell him that you can't do it. Yes, you know that sometimes the words of other people make a big change in our life. We think that, no, what happens, nothing, but people say something and we take it very seriously. We don't have to take it very seriously. We have to believe in ourselves. First of all, we have to believe in ourselves because we know our strength and our lower things too, है ना? In which things we are not good. हम जानते हैं ना अपनी कमियां, जानते हैं, और अपनी खूबियां भी सिर्फ हम ही जानते हैं, है ना? Yes. So with the great words of Helen Keller, few wise words are there. What you have to do? Never bend your head. Never bend your head, and always hold it high. Always hold it high and look straight into the world, direct in the eyes. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.